Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an artist, and today we're going to draw a tired horse. So this tired horse has been walking and now he needs a nap. We're going to start with his back, which has a little bit of a arch to it, and it brings a line down to where his head is going to go. Horses have this long neck. Actually, maybe it's not quite that long. And then they've got these little ears that come up, and their head, sort of the top part of their head where their eye is, and then they have this long nose that kind of comes out here like that. And they've got quite a big jaw that comes down. And then they have the front part and a leg. And their front legs are pretty spindly. They have these sort of long legs with kind of a knee almost in them that gives way to a hoof. And so here's and they got a big belly too, like that. So there's the front leg, and then there's a leg in the back. Kind of doing some more horsey stuff over here. Now this horse is tired. So normally the horse would be sort of upright, right? Like this, and doing horse stuff, but this one is tired, so his neck is down. He's a tired horse. Brings around this butt part of the horse, and then he's got a big leg that comes down, big thigh that comes to a sort of an angle here and then comes back down. And he's got a hoof that comes out. And he's got two of those, so let's give him another one over here. This one comes down like that. And there's his other hoof. And then, of course, the long, very luxurious horse tail comes down quite a ways here. And then they have that mane. We can't forget their mane. So we've got just lots of lines here on the top. And then horses have an eye on the side. This horse is tired, so he's kind of, maybe his eye's kind of closed. He's kind of sleeping there. And they've got some hair that goes on their front part there, like that. And that is how you draw a tired horse.